Hi guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel, and after a week I am here again. Today we are going to learn idioms, but at first let me give brief information about what an idiom is. An idiom is a phrase which you cannot understand if you translate them word to word. Because if you translate them one by one, they cannot make sense. Knowing idioms is very efficient because they are used so often in everyday conversation. And learning idioms is a key to understand native English speakers because they use idioms in their speech so much. And guys, today in this video we are going to learn 15 useful idioms which are so popular. So guys, if you are ready, let's get started. So guys, the first idiom is "cat got your tongue." It means "can't you speak?" and it's always used when someone annoys you and doesn't answer your question or doesn't speak. And I always use this idiom when someone annoys me and doesn't answer my question. It's really irritating, and I always use this idiom in this situation. Number 2, give it a whirl. Give it a whirl, it means to try something. For example, let's use it in our sentence. For example, have you ever eaten sushi? Today I am going to give it a whirl. It means that today I am going to try it. The next one is hang in there. Hang in there means wait it out. For example, you called someone and while conversation you get another call and you can say, hang in there, I'll call you back. It means that wait, I'll call you back. Number 4, plain as day. Plain as day, it means clear or obvious. For example, it's not difficult to see that you are in love. It's plain as day. It means that it's easy to see. It's so clear. Number 5, no pain, no gain. And I'm sure that all of you have heard it at least once because it's so popular idiom, and the meaning of this idiom is in order to see good results you have to work hard. And I always use this idiom if I see that my students got tired of learning English, and I always say, come on guys, no pain, no gain. The next one is ill at ease. Ill at ease means to be worried or to feel uncomfortable. For example, I always feel ill at ease when someone praises me in front of people. It means that I feel myself uncomfortable. And by the way, I also don't like when I am praised in front of people. I feel myself weird. Number 7, break a leg. If you translate this idiom word to word, you can think breaking someone's leg, but no. In fact, it's absolutely different. Break a leg means to good luck. For example, oh, do you have an exam tomorrow? Break a leg. It means that, do you have an exam tomorrow? Good luck. Number 8, show must go on. It's so popular idiom, and the meaning of this idiom is the proceedings must continue. Doesn't matter what bad things have happened. And it's really good way to encourage someone to continue what they are doing even if they meet some difficulties. For example, why are you crying? You have another chance to give an exam again. And even there is a song like show must go on. And I know that all of you have heard this song. So guys, the next idiom is to hit the sack. It generally means to go to bed. For example, I had an awful day today, so it's time to hit the sack. It means that it's time to go to bed. Number 10, beats me. Can you guess what does it mean? I think no. Beats me, it's an idiom and it means I don't know. For example, how did she find my home? Beats me. It means I don't know. The next idiom is chin music. Maybe it can sound a little bit interesting or weird, but in fact it means meaningless or idle talk. For example, can you guys be silent? Because of your chin music, I cannot concentrate on my work. It means that because of your idle or meaningless talk, I cannot concentrate on my work. Number 12, cash strapped. Have you ever heard this idiom? Maybe yes or maybe not, but let me explain. Cash strapped, it's an idiom and it means to be out of money or not having enough money. For example, it's very important to find a part-time job for cash-strapped students. It means that for the students who are out of money or who don't have enough money. Number 13, child's play. Maybe you can understand what it means. It means extremely easy. For example, oh, you think I cannot find the right answer? It's child's play. It means that it's extremely easy. Number 14, chop chop. It sounds funny, right? And it's an idiom and it means very quickly without delay. And this idiom is used to say someone to hurry. For example, oh, it's already 10 o'clock. We are going to be late. Chop chop. It means that hurry. We are going to be late. And finally, the last one. The last idiom is a home bird. A home bird is a person who likes to spend his free or social time at home. But what about you? Are you a home bird or you prefer to spend your more time outside? Just drop your comments below. So guys, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed my video while watching, and for today you have learned 15 idioms, and for memorizing them well, it's better to use them in your daily life. Try to use them more. It's really good way. And guys, if you have any offers or if you have any questions, just drop your comments below. And if you want to see more videos from me, just subscribe to my channel. And that's all for today. See you in the next videos.